Hello everyone, you're watching PhysioClassroom channel, and in this video of soft tissue treatment series, we are going to learn the manual therapy skill to perform the carpal tunnel release technique. The technique can be utilized by the physiotherapist to treat pain, paresthesia, numbness associated with compression of the median nerve in the carpal tunnel. So to perform this technique, the therapist makes the patient lie down in supine lying position with the affected hand resting on the treatment table. The therapist next places both the thumbs over and beside the carpal tunnel in this manner, and the fingers of both the hands wraps around the dorsal aspect of the hand. Now from this position, the therapist next applies a pressure towards the volar side or in the downward direction, and then moves both the thumb apart in the outward direction. The idea is to deliver stretch to the flexor retinaculum or the transverse carpal ligament, thereby opening up the carpal tunnel and relieving pressure over the median nerve. So the action that needs to take place is a downward pressure followed by an outward pressure. So the movement of the hand is taking place in this manner. So let me again demonstrate the technique. I hold both the thumbs beside and over the carpal tunnel, and then move both the thumbs apart, and at the same time bringing both the wrists closer to each other. The position is maintained for around 20 to 60 seconds before returning back to the neutral position. Now one thing to be remembered is that if during the application of this procedure the paresthesia, numbness or pain increases, then the therapist should immediately stop the technique, and once the patient's pain becomes normal, the technique can again be applied for 20 to 60 seconds. Utilize this treatment technique and incorporate it along with the treatment protocol for the carpal tunnel patients to maximize the treatment outcome. So this was all about the practical demonstration of the carpal tunnel release technique. We'll see you all again in another new series of educational videos. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.